Do I know what I'm doing? No. So I am going to be attempting to cut my hair. Yes, I'm going to be attempting to cut my hair. So let's see what happens.
I don't know why I decided to do this, but...
Okay, so this is what we're working with. This is my hair. It was up all day, so it's like down to like my ribs. So I think I want to cut it to like here, maybe. I think so. Now my hair does grow fast. I literally just cut my hair maybe like 2 months ago. Had it was like I don't know, I've just been too lazy to deal with long hair, you know, and it's just getting to the point where all I do is keep it up, like in a clip or in a ponytail. But then I also want to do like some shorter pieces in the front. These are my bangs or like fringe pieces. So if my hair is like this short, I can just shorten these pieces a little bit.
This is probably a really bad idea.
I think my fringe pieces now are kind of the goal. Yeah. I have a little comb here and some hair cutting scissors. Do I know what I'm doing? No.
Okay, so don't copy me, just...
I like never brush my hair. I'm very tender-headed. I usually just finger comb it, but I think if I'm going to cut it, I should probably brush it out. Sorry guys, I started second guessing myself. I started looking at my hair in the mirror and I was like, what am I doing? Is this really what I want to, is this really what I want to do? Ugh, I don't know why I started second guessing myself now. I was so determined and now I'm just like, So, it's just hair. It'll grow back. I'm just afraid I'm gonna mess it up. I told my dad, I said, I want to cut my hair short. And he was like, well, how short? And I said, I think like shoulder length. And he was like, you should probably go get it professionally cut.
I just don't have the funds right now to get it professionally cut.
And he was like, well, you should, because like the va a salir chueco and I was like, well, hopefully if I mess it up, they can fix it, you know, but I'll just do it. Yeah, I'm just do it. What I'm gonna do is, instead of cutting it like straight for that like straight cut, I cut my hair like that once before, or my mom did, and it was cute. But I really kind of want like a choppy-ish look. So I'm gonna attempt to do that, and I'm just thinking I could just flip it over and cut like a huge chunk. I think when I flip it back, not only will I cut length, I'll also cut layers at the same time, instead of just cutting it and then flipping it over. Or should I do that?
I don't know. We're gonna roll with it. We'll see what happens.
I literally did that without even like counting. I was just like, go, go. I was getting nervous, my hands were shaking. I think I got a lot of it. Hold on. That's like a good bit, you guys. I'm nervous now. Well,
I think I did make my first mistake.
that technique mostly cut it in layers. If you can see, there's more deeper layers in it, but I still have some length here, which is fine. I'm okay with this too, but essentially I want shorter and with additional layers. It looks pretty cool, which I kind of like it like this. You know, when you curl it, it'll like be very flowy and bouncy. What to do? Let me try the ponytail technique. Look at all this hair, oh my goodness. Why am I about to cry?